¡Wow! ¡Los tumbaste todos! ¡Bravo! Tumbaste 3. You knocked down 3. What do you have right there? Paw Patrol. Can you tell me their names? ¿Me puedes decir los nombres? And Rocky. Wow. Do you like your pups? ¿Te gustan tus pups? Whoa. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pups. Son 6 Paw Patrol. Okay, pups. Aaron te va a tumbar. Aaron's gonna knock you down with his pumpkin. You ready, Aaron?
Yeah.
Let's go. Oh!
Yeah.
Jeffrey, it's your turn. Es tu turno. Ya tienes tu pumpkin. Ready? Go, Jeffrey. ¿Cuántos puedes tumbar? ¡Wow! Jeffrey knocked them all down. Los tumbó todos. Yay. Jeffrey, es tu turno otra vez, Jeffrey. ¡Wow! No tumbó nada. He didn't knock anything down. You're helping him, Aaron. Tú le estás ayudando, tramposo. Hey, Jeffrey, ¿por qué dejaste que Aaron te ayudara? Why did you let Aaron help you? Oh. ¿Puedes contar conmigo? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. ¿Cuántos colores hay? How many colors are there? Orange, yellow, red, yellow. Naranja, amarillo, rojo, amarillo. Down. Oh! You missed. No pudiste. Oh. Cheater, cheater, tramposito. Hey. Whoa, no tumbó nada. He didn't knock the little construction workers down. Hey. Tramposo. Cheater, cheater, pumpkin eater. How many bowling pins are there? ¿Cuántos bolos hay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many colors are there? ¿Cuántos colores hay? Dark blue, light blue, red. Azul oscuro, azul bajito y rojo. Hay 3 diferentes colores. There's 3 different colors. ¡Wow! It's your turn, Jeffrey. Es tu turno, Jeffrey. ¿Qué estás haciendo? What are you doing? Hey! Oh! Aaron, hold this pumpkin. Oh! Nope. A ver. Let me see. Oh. A ver tu cabecita. Oh! Adiós. Bye. Hey, hey.